we have given a coin whose diameter is 1.75 centimeter and whose height is 2 mm, means 0.2 centimeter. We have to make a cuboid of dimension 5.5, 10 into 3.5. These all dimensions are in centimeter. Now what is the volume formula for the cylinder? Pi r square h. N is number of coins we have to find to make these dimensions cuboid. Now what is the volume for the cuboid? L into B into H. N 5.5, 10, 3.5. Now for this 5.5 I write 10 down in the denominator, and for 3.5 I write 10 in the denominator. Now what is this? Pi 22 into 7. What is for R? 175. This is diameter 1.75. I write it 175 into 200. 175 into 200. What is H? 2.2 centimeter, that is 2 by 10. Now make the calculations. 5, 2, 5 got cancelled. That is 100. That is 25. That is 100. Now 400 coins of this dimension is required to make these dimensions cuboid. In the next question we have given a cylinder whose radius is 18 centimeter and height is 32 centimeters. We have to make a cone whose height is h2 is 24 centimeter. Means whatever material is inside this cylinder, we make a cone from that material. We have to find the radius and the slant height, that is h, height of the cone. Now for what is the volume for the cylinder? Pi r1 square h1, and what is for the cone? Pi 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Pi got cancelled. What is r1? r1 is 18. What is h1? That is 32. And that 3 comes here to the left hand side. We have to find r2 square. h2 is 24. Now do the cuttings. That is 4. That is 3. That is 8. Now this is what? 18. 3 3 is 9. 9 8 is 72. 72 means 18 into 18 into 4. r2 square, that is 18 square into 2 square is equal to r2 square, means r2 is equal to 18 into 2, that is 36. Now for the slant height, as you know, this is 36 is the radius, this is the height, this is L. L square is equal to 36 whole square plus 24 whole square, that is equal to L is equal to under root 36 square plus 24 whole square. Now take 12 square common. What is inside? 3 square plus 2 square. Now take 12 out of the root, that is 9 plus 4, 12 under root 13, that is the L. Now in the next question we have given a canal of width 6 meter and height 1.5 meter. What is the area of cross section? That is 6 into 1.5, 9 meters square. Now water is flowing at the speed of 10 km per hour in this canal. Now speed how much? 10 km per hour converted into the meter per minute. What is 1000 meter in kilometer and meter? 60 minute. Now what we get? Meter per minute. Now this is meter per minute. In 30 minutes, how much volume? In 30 minutes, multiply this with 30. 10,000 by 60 into 30. 5. It means 9. Okay. That is speed. First multiply it with the area to get the volume. That is equal to 9 into 10,000 by 60 2 3 500 1500 meter cube per minute. Now in 30 minutes how much volume flows? 1500 into 30, that is 45,000 meter cube volume. Now this water collects in a field whose height is 8 centimeter. We have to find this area, means area into height, this is in converted into meter, is equal to 45,000 meter cube is the volume. Now what is the area? Area is equal to 45,000 into 100 by 8. Now do the calculation. That is 25 by 2. That will be 25,500. Now on multiplication, what we get? 562,500 meter square is the area of this field. A pipe of diameter 20 centimeters in which water is flowing at the speed of 3 km per hour is filling a tank of 10 meter dia and 2 meter height. Now we have to find how much time this pipe will take to fill this tank completely. Now what is the radius for this? R1 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter, converted into meter, 0.1 meter. What is area of cross section? That is pi 0.1 square r square, that is 0.015. Now what is the speed? Speed is 3 km per hour, convert into meter per minute, 3000 upon 60 meter per minute, 500 meter per minute. So this is 50. Now this is in speed. What is volume in 1 minute flowing? Multiply cross section area with speed. What we get? 0.55 meter cube. Now let in T minutes volume flows T into 0.55 meter cube. What are the dimensions of these? R2 is equal to 10 upon 2, 5 meter. H2 is 2 meter. Now this volume put equals to the volume of this cylinder. T into 0.55 pi R2 square H2 T, pi got cancelled. What is R2? 5 into 5. What is H? That is 2, and that is 0.5. Do the calculation. 5 to the 10, 10 10, 100 minutes is required to fill this tank from this pipe.